Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video we're going to talk about a new paid survey site. Well, it's new to me, right? It's new to me. I haven't heard of it. And this site actually, pays pretty decent money for online surveys. All right. So the name of this survey site is called Prolicic. All right. I heard about this on TikTok, right? And I seen, some stuff on TikTok is cool, some is garbage, but I kept seeing, the same video on it. So I'm like, you know what? Let me check this out, right? Because I've done several videos on paid surveys, many videos on it, and a lot of them I say basically it's not really worth your time. But Prolicic, I can't even say it. Prolicic, this site might be one that you can earn, I wouldn't say a full-time income, but you probably can earn some nice little extra cash that you can use, for whatever. So here's the thing. With Prolicic, the thing that stands out about this survey site is once you sign up and create your account and you answer their questionnaire, right? I ain't gonna lie. They ask you a million questions, right? To set up your profile. The good thing about that is you only have to do it one time. So keep this in mind. When you sign up for Prolicic, have like a good 45 minutes, hour, right, to answer a ton of questions. But this helps them find the right surveys for you. Now, the cool thing is once everything's done and you answer, your questions, you go over and you click on studies, right? And then you'll see all of the surveys that you can take. Now, a lot of other survey sites, and if you're watching this, you would notice you'll get these survey invites, but then you got to answer like 5 minutes worth of questions just to find out that you don't even qualify and you don't get nothing for it. You just wasted 5 minutes of your day and you ain't even got a chance to earn no sort of money. With Prolicic, right, as I record this video, once you click on studies, whatever surveys they have available, you qualify for. That means if you take the time to do it, you will actually earn money, right? Now, most of the surveys on the site, it's in pounds, right, instead of dollars. I think it's Britain, whatever. But don't worry, because obviously you get paid in dollars, all right? But so just know that. So don't be all confused, like, what? These are pounds. I want dollars. You'll get dollars, all right, if you're in the United States, all right? So I just signed up for them a few days ago. Already took 2 surveys. Now, when you take these surveys, you got to wait and get approval, right? So the only way, which I've seen so far, that you will get denied after you take a survey is if you didn't follow the instructions in the surveys. Because some surveys on this site, they actually throw in, I forget what they call them, but basically they're trick questions. They'll be like, are you paying attention? Are you really doing this survey? Click 1 to prove that you're actually paying attention. Like, it'll be a trick question in there, and if you're not paying attention, that could actually get your survey declined if you're not, answering the questions, properly. All right. So, so far so good. I did already get paid for taking one site. I'm waiting on another one to be approved. But guys, like, this is a straight up legit survey site that, I mean, this is what people been talking about. Like, it seems like this is one of the paid survey sites that people been looking and waiting on. Because I've seen some people that get paid, $20 for a survey. Some people get paid $10 for a survey. And if you can do, 3 or 4 surveys a day, then you might earn, anywhere from, $20 to $50 a day doing surveys. All right. So You want to check out Prolicic. I'll put a link in the description of this video. I will also keep you up to date, with taking surveys. I don't have a lot of time, but I'll try to take them, from time to time and let you know how much money I've made. Because if this survey site turned out to be trash, I'm going to come back in 3-4 months and maybe even a month and be like, yo, nah, like it wasn't even a lot of surveys. They didn't pay XYZ. But so far, so good. Like when it comes to paid surveys, I will say Prolicic seems like one of the best legit and time-worthy companies to look into. All right, so if you're looking for a way to earn some cash just by answering questions, check out Prolicic. Comment below and let me know what your experiences is after you sign up with them. All right, so give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.